What?
What is it?
It's being live stream on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, I am. So that your other friends who have other commitment can come in later.
So I think got new people here also.
Really?
I think that's right.
Okay, let me say hello first. Just give teacher a minute, okay? Yeah.
Right?
Okay, give teacher.
Okay.
It's here. Okay, I can see it now. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Yes. Hello, Lohita. Hi, Shantosh. Hi, Zach. Hi, Oscar. Hi, Arisa. Nice to see you again. Hi, Gilbert. Hi, Nico. Hi, Honey. Yeah. Okay. The rest. Oh, okay. Hello, everybody. Hi, Nisha. Hi, Noel. Hi, Chloe. Okay, if you are a child, can you? Hi, Rohin.
Hello,
All
Shan.
the sweet words, all the encouragement. Hi, May. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Cherish. Thank you for coming on a Sunday. Yeah. Hi, Madeline. Hello. Hi, Jinha. If I miss you, please forgive me, okay? If not, then we can't start already. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nice to see all the hello. Okay. Hi, Janelle. Okay. Hi, Alicia. Okay, guys, how are y'all today? Y'all look forward to see me? Really? Yeah. I look forward to see you, no? And you know what? Every time before I see you, I will have tummy ache. So I need to go toilet first because I got tummy ache. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Don't laugh, okay? It's true. I'm not lying. Okay. Hi, Justina. You managed to come after your tuition. I rush here. You take aeroplane, is it?
No, they skipped today because
You skip your tuition to come to my tuition. I'm going to shoot you. That one is paid one, okay? This is free. Can watch video. Huh?
because the teacher got something on, so she cancelled.
Oh, you're lucky then. I'm happy to see you. You are so bubbly, yeah, and so participative. Okay, so how are y'all? Okay, let's do a chit chat a bit. Tisha has a question first. How many of you did the whole thing?
Me.
Yeah, one.
I knew it. I don't even know there was homework.
Huh? Chloe, thank you. Nishan, thank you. Nick, I miss seeing you. Like, why don't you turn on your webcam? You are so cute looking. Thank you, Yoga.
Yes, I didn't do the homework because I don't even know.
Wow. I have very good students in the class. Hey guys, if I overrun, you cannot blame me, okay? Because teacher really treat you like my real student. And my real students, they are all here too. They are all, actually, they will see me tomorrow again. But I think they are here because they want your moral support, okay? Yeah, like the mummy is also next to them. I know their mummies. Their mummies always like cheering me on, and some of them are praying for me. Okay. Yeah, so teacher is very happy. Hello. Teacher is very happy to see you, okay? But then you must promise me, okay? By right Sunday, I should rest because I work from Monday to Saturday every day. But because your PSLE is coming, so I don't feel good if I just leave it to you to learn yourself. I just want to be there for you. Is it okay? Yeah.
Miss, I'm actually P5.
Oh, good. Okay. And okay, one more thing I need to say. I don't know whether I'll do it every year, okay? If I have energy, I'll try. But then I tell you this. I mean, for this 10 lessons, they are already very useful for your P6. Basically, you can attend my 10 lessons and then have a hang of the PSLE paper, and you can even try the PSLE paper if you like. Okay, teacher, explain to you why today I may overrun, okay? I may overrun because of question 10, because I want to teach you 3 types of remainder questions so that I can roti prata your brain and get you more ready for your exam. Question 10 is a good question to roti prata you. I may not, because I know that I should honor your time. So actually question 17 I may not do, even though I know that by right this is the toughest that you all should be doing. But the main reason is because actually we did it already in one of the episodes. Is there, okay? So teacher show you all my workings they are always with a lot of color. Yeah. actually, teacher today again was trying to kepo and go to Taobao and see whether I can get pen for you. And then by the time they send the pen over to me, and if I send it to the post office to send to you, I think your exam over already. It's like you're like, I'll celebrate PSLE end date, not for PSLE. So darling, please forgive teacher Julie that I couldn't do that for you, okay? Yeah, it's not about the money, it's about like yeah, like, you know what I mean, right? But I have I have a good gift for you today. And that gift is that teacher is very, 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 very thankful for all the good reviews your parents and you have given me. Actually, in total, we have 56, and every single one is very long. So I have to take the time to read it. Only one is super short. I almost fainted, but he just said, very funny. That's all. The comment is just very funny. Okay, so instead of giving you the pen, you know, to encourage you, teacher discussed with my husband what should we do to help you. So we have decided that we will give you, okay, if you help us, please help us, because you know why teacher need you to help me, because I need parents to feel safe with teacher Julie. I don't want them to come in with like doubt. I want them to know that I am really here because I love the children. Okay, so if you think that teacher is genuine and teacher teach you clearly, can you just ask your parents to help me to do this review on Google and Facebook? Later teacher will give you the link. Write from your heart. Please do not write something that is not real, because I won't appreciate it also, but write from your heart what how this has helped you. Okay, and so for all the reviews, you know, as long as we know that they are genuine, okay, you just have to write the review, copy and paste into Facebook. We give you the link, and Google review, okay, and then you just WhatsApp my husband. He will send you, and what is he going to send you, guys? He is going to send you paper 1 of last year, all the exam question. Teacher has arranged all the paper 1 questions into topics and into concept name and into difficulty level, and it's very colorful. It's as colorful as this because teacher is a colorful monster, right? I told you, right? So basically inside got a lot of tips, inside got a lot of like how to do the question. So for students who really are in danger of failing exam, you know, they always get 20-30 marks for their exam, that one is a really good tool. And for you, if like, you know, you just want to have a push of like extra 5 or 10 marks and you don't know where to get it from, I think paper 1 is a good place to get it from. So just make good use of it. Actually, normally for that Padlet that we do sell to parents who ask us, we don't heavily advertise, but we do sell, and usually we sell it at $49.90. So, but then we are giving it to you for free, okay, so that it can equip you for your PSLE, okay? Yeah, so I hope you appreciate that and make good use of it, okay? Yeah.
So how you get the paper 1?
Oh, later, Shantosh, later,
So my
towards
mom asked me,
so fast already, okay. Okay, later, don't worry, teacher will give it to you because my intention is to help you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so the next thing, let's go through this now, okay? We go through this, and then the next thing I need to tell you is teacher this morning messaged my friend. I cannot tell you his name. He's the daddy who lost his son in the River Valley High incident. Yeah, okay, so I asked him whether I can share his story. He's a friend of mine, whether I can share his story, and because I told him that I'm going to see 100 beautiful children, what is a message that I could send to him from the heart of a father. Yeah, so he has kindly agreed because he is a super nice person. Okay, so but I promised him that I will not show his son photo. I will not mention his son name and his name. It's basically just like a teaching moment for you. It's okay, so do remind me towards the end of the lesson to share a little bit on that for you. Okay, yeah, because I'm sure this papa that you do not know also love you. Okay. Okay, So can we start the lesson now? Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, welcome, Shantosh.
Sure. Is it the victim or the other the fella who? Oh, okay.
13-year-old boy, victim. Okay, 13-year-old boy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you must pay attention. Follow me so that we have a bit of overrun time. Okay, a bit now. Let's try to do it in under 2 hours. Okay, steady. Okay. Yeah. The reason why I'm doing all this little story for you is not because teacher have endless story I don't have. Okay, but because I know most of you are graduating and you may never see me again. I just want to put a lot of seed of kindness in your heart. I want you all to grow up well. I want you to grow up with a big and beautiful heart. Okay? Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so yay. So be patient with teacher. Teacher is trying my best to help you. Okay, trying my best. Not used to having a big class yet. Getting more and more used to it, but not so yet. Okay, so be patient with teacher. Okay, so teacher is going to share screen now. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, you can see my screen, right? Is everybody? Can everybody see my screen? Okay, huh? So teacher is going to start now. Okay. And yeah, another thing, if your parents doesn't mind, this lesson is really quite beneficial. If you have like classmates and friends who just want to pop in and take a look, like I think yesterday, the previous lesson, Justina was messaged me and said that, you know, even the last 15 minutes was actually quite helpful. If you have friends whom you love, like the way I love you, and you want to share with them, just give them the link, they can join Zoom. Teacher actually paid extra to Zoom this month just to help you. Okay, just to help you so that more children can get help. Okay, let's do it, guys. Okay, question 8. No worries, darling. Okay, question 8. Can you tell teacher now what's your answer? Just type for me. Okay, Gilbert, good job. Yoga, good. Okay, Debbie, good. Yeah, Claire, good. Ellie, good. Yeah. Okay, wow, very good. So many of you got the correct answer, right? Teacher is very proud of you. But teacher still want to do this question for you because teacher want you to see something. Okay? So let's read the question now, can we? Okay. Yeah. So question 8. Oh, this is Mary. Mary is my good friend. One of my very good friend already. Yeah, okay. Someone I respect a lot. Okay, so here, let's do it. Huh? Okay, Mary decorated her house with balloons for a party. Okay, she arranged 14 balloons hanging on the rope from one end of the wall to the other end of the wall in figure 1, right? The balloons are arranged at an equal distance of 30 cm apart. Okay, so okay, let's observe this figure first. Okay, so we have 35 cm here, and then at the end we also have 35 cm, right? And then in between we have all the 30 cms. Okay, all the 30 cms. So we have balloon 1, 2, that means it continue until the last balloon, and this last balloon is balloon number 14, right? Okay, then let's continue. On the actual day of the party, she burst 4 of the balloons and had to rearrange with a new gaps, right, as shown in the in figure 2. So we have 50 cm here. Okay, and they did not tell us what is the length of the gap here, so it's a question mark, but we know that at the end is 50 cm. So you have all the question mark, all the gaps. Okay, so what is the length of the gap, new gap? So it's what is new between any 2 consecutive balloons. Okay, the thing I want to highlight to you is, even though this is a balloon hanging, right? But actually you learn it before, and to be honest, you learn it, maybe the numbers are a lot smaller, the bar model is a lot shorter, but actually you learn it at P1, you know. You realize that? The reason is because a bit of P1 because of the bar model. Actually, you could have drawn a part whole model for it, but that is going to be very long lah. But what I'm trying to say is, so teacher explain to you a little bit on what I mean by that. Listen now. Do you agree with teacher that this 35, you know, if you teach a primary 1, it will be something like this, right? Or maybe primary 2 because the number a bit too big. Okay, this is 35, right? True? And this is 35. Can you see now? So it's almost like your part whole model, 35. And then here we have all the, you know, all the 30. Correct or not? So you really have the time, you could actually draw all the 30. Okay, all the little 30s here. So what I'm trying to tell you is, please don't be afraid when there is a picture. Okay, don't be afraid when there's a picture. Think about it. How can you change the picture back to something you have learned in primary 2, 3, and 4? Right? It's not that scary. Okay? The same for this. But okay, the same for this. It will be something like that. Okay, about 50. And then you have to, you know, this is 50 and this is 50. Right? Yeah. So children, please be patient with teacher Julie. Okay? The main reason is because not everyone is getting AL 1 or 2 or 3 in this class. Let's be considerate to the weaker ones. Okay, the weaker one, they are not slow, they are just late bloomers. Okay, I have seen many students when they go secondary school, they become super powerful. So be patient with your friends. Okay, yeah. Okay, so something along that line. Okay, so this is the first thing. I just want you to teach yourself that you could have seen it as a part whole model. Okay, number 2 now. Okay, so I'm sure your primary 2 or primary 3 teacher who have taught, what concept is this? Who can tell me? Type for me now. Who can tell teacher what's the concept? Come on. Let's see who's the first fast finger. Come on. Nobody answer. How come? Teacher, maybe my iPad. Okay, gaps. Good. Gaps or in. Thank you, Nick. Caden, intervals. Right. Good. Okay. Yeah, so teacher is reading all your comments now. Okay. Yeah. So you're right, it's interval, right? So what is so special about interval? Who can tell me what is the most important information about interval?
Gaps.
Gap. So for example, if you have 2 lampposts, there will be 1 gap. True or not true? You have 3 lampposts, there will be 2 gaps. You must always remember that, right? Okay, so you tell teacher now, okay? So okay, another thing I must highlight to you is, do you agree with teacher? Remember teacher say that in PSLE Math question, the concept of equal is very, very important, right? Right. Always think, what on earth is equal? Because that is one of your biggest best friend for PSLE Math. What is equal? Right? So we know that the length of the wall from side to side is equal. Correct or wrong? Yeah? Okay, so now that you remember this, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, let's take it in bite size. So number 1, okay, number 1 is for figure 1. Okay, so teacher will use the color now. We are going to look at this 35. Okay, so we have 135 here and another 135, correct? So here we will have 2 times 35, so that we have considered the length of this 2 last distance, right? Length. Then here, can you see that there are 14 balloons? There are 14 balloons, right? Who can tell teacher 14 balloons got how many gaps?
13.
Well done! Steady, pum pipi. Yeah. Okay, so here we have, so we are going to do 13. You are awesome, guys. So plus 13 times 30, right? So what we are trying to do now is, we know that there are, okay, these are the gaps, right? These are the gaps, and there are 13 of them. So who can tell me now what is 2 times 35 plus 13 times 30?
460.
Well done. Thank you very much, Shantosh. Shantosh, you have become our spokesman already. iSchool online tuition spokesman. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Shantosh. I really like you. You are a very genuine person. Okay, so here, okay, so the next thing is this. Let's now, okay, let's see this one now. Okay, we have 4 balloon that has bursts. Okay, 4 balloon that has bursts, had bursts. Okay, so how many balloons now? How many more balloons do we have now? We have, okay, we have, at first we have 14 balloons. We minus 4, And then there must be one less gap, right?
9.
No, one less gap, so minus 1. So not one less gap, the gap is always less than the balloon, right? You know, right? So it's 9. True? Okay, we know that there will be 9 gaps at the bottom. All this, there are total of 9 gaps, right? Okay, then the next thing teacher want to ask you is this. Listen, okay? This one. So we know this is 460 from here to here, right? And this one is also 460 from here to here. Everybody agree, right? So let's get rid of the first two. Let's get rid of it. So it will be 460, okay, 460 minus 50, and 50 is 100, right? Okay, 2 times 50. So which is equal to 360. True or not true? Then finally, let's find the gap now. So if from here, teacher use purple pen now. Sorry, teacher is a color monster. So from here to here, we know now that it is 360. Agree or disagree? Okay, so if we have 9 gaps, it will be 360
Divide by 9.
9.
40.
40.
Divide by 2.
Sorry, the pen is bad. 40 cm. Okay, 40 cm. So teacher hashtag for you now, 40 cm. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, can I just add one more thing? Okay. Yesterday, to be honest, teacher watched a video from Blue Tree. Actually, teacher really liked teacher Faith. Okay, even though she doesn't know it, but I think she gives some good tips for PSLE. And she also have an upcoming course. Don't tell teacher Faith I say all this, okay? If you want to go and for their course, I think it's a good thing to go because she will tell you more. Okay, she will tell you more.
So what's the name of the tuition?
Oh, Blue Tree. You can try.
Okay.
Yeah. So she actually made a video to advise parents on a little bit of the marking and things like that. I didn't watch the full video. I just went in to just enjoy what she said. Okay. So if you want to go there, it's okay for me. You're welcome to go. Yeah, teacher Co is good. Yeah, I know. Blue Tree teachers are good teachers. They also love children a lot. I can tell. I can smell it from a mile away. Okay, yeah. So go and watch. Okay, go and watch. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. So oh, you're in his class. Okay, Ken. I'm so honored to have you in my class too. Oh, they have free classes sometimes. Yes, I know. They are kind people, darling. Okay, so can we finish and go to the next question now? Okay, so we are going to clear this, yeah? Okay, so now we are going to the next page. Okay, so can we do the next one now? The reason why I'm doing this, I know it's a bit simple for some of you, but teacher has to do it because teacher need to care for the slightly not so strong one, okay? Yeah, so give me the permission to do it, okay? Yeah, I don't think you like me if, as a teacher, if I only like those who score well, right? You can throw me away, dustbin, carry around. Oh, okay, yeah, you want a teacher who care for you for who you are, not your marks, right? Okay, the answer is 40 cm, Rayanne, okay? Yeah. Okay, so let's look at question 9 now. Are you game? Is it okay? Okay, tell teacher now for question 9. What's your answer? Oh, Brian is very fast. Brian Teo. Okay, somebody get wet by me already. Who is this guy? Heng Sing. Come, let me shoot you. Let me shoot your head. Bang, bang. How can you put 0.33 kg? You look at the last word. In grams, you know, guys. In grams. Hello. Yeah, come. Oops. Yes, never mind. It's always good to make the mistake before PSLE. I just save your 1 mark. Okay, you must bring me out to eat roti prata, okay? Okay, so can we continue now? Okay, let's do this one now, okay? Yeah. Okay, the mass of a volleyball is 0.21 kg more. Oh, sorry, I need to change pen color. It's now white. Haha. Okay, it's now more than a tennis ball. Okay, so here we have the volleyball. So teacher is just going to draw for you quickly so you know that it is actually longer than the other one, right? So here this is 0.21, something like that. Okay, your brain must change it to model or table already. Your brain must auto that already, okay? Then the next thing is, okay, teacher change color now. Okay, the next thing is the mass of 2 volleyballs is the same as the mass of 9 tennis balls. Wow, the word same, I will say, thank you, God. I like the word same so much. It saved my life, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, what if I forgot to add all together? Chloe, I don't understand your question. You may want to rephrase it, okay? Yeah, okay, then find the mass of 1 volleyball and 1 tennis ball, right? In grams. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, heng sing, will not forget. Okay, so be careful, huh? Okay, so now teacher is going to write for you, okay? Yeah. So let's start with the green one, okay? From the green information. So you know that 1 volleyball is actually equal to, okay, teacher is going to teach you, okay, okay, let's do STARS, can? Okay, so at least we know, huh? STARS, just in case some parents come in today only, they never attend the first 7. Okay, now then I need to address that already. Okay, parents, my plan is to do 10. Okay, I don't want to do in the last 1 week for PSLE because I think it's going to be stressful. But you can book me to chit chat if you want to chill. Okay, chill is okay. Okay, teacher is joking lah. Okay, so parents, this is our number 8. So we'll have 2 more. And that on the Padlet we already put up the 7 for you. So my suggestion is please don't go on Netflix binging, you know. Wow, one shot watch 7. I tell you, your daughter cannot absorb anymore, okay? Your son cannot. So if you really like, you know, now you have this like stay at home before PSLE, that few days, right? Feel free to watch them. Maybe at most, teacher advise you is 1 episode per day. Don't do so much, okay? Don't do so much. You'll get tired out. Teacher doesn't want you to be tired, okay? So there'll be 10. So you can see me 2 more lessons. After that, I say sayonara. If you see me in shopping center, say hello to me. Okay? Yeah. So here, okay, we have S. So we have already searched for all the relationship, right? We know that there are relationships such as equal. We know there are relationships such as more than or less than, right? Okay. So then we have to think about what technique to use. No teacher has taught you like units table, draw model, right? But for this question, I need to focus on teaching you to solve using equations, okay? Using equations is one of the things you need to learn, equations, right? So apply concept. So I'm going to apply now. So here, you can see that this will be 1 unit. Okay, this is 1 unit. And because they want gram, so I automatically change to plus 210, right? And then here, we know that the tennis ball will be actually, teacher just write it here, okay? Please forgive teacher. Okay, so here, this will be 1 tennis ball, which is equal to 1 unit. Everybody understand this, right? Yeah, so teacher change colors so you can see properly. Okay, so next one will be 2 tennis ball. So teacher make it a deeper green, okay? 2 volleyball, right? Where do I get it from? It's from here, 2 volleyball. So let's create the unit for the 2 volleyball, which is 2 times 1 unit, which is 2 unit, plus 2 times 210, which is 420, right? And then here we have 1 tennis ball. So we have 9 tennis balls. So 9 tennis ball will be 90, which is equal to 9 unit. Everybody got light bulb or no light bulb? So far so good, right? Okay, so now they say, guys, that, okay, teacher's going to highlight for you now. They say that this, guys, is equal to this. Okay, so I show you the concept behind this so that you won't be afraid of it anymore, okay? Especially if you are not sure. Okay, the technique I want to use here, it actually belongs more to here. It's called units equation, right? But actually units equation is nothing new. You actually learn it at P2. Okay, it's basically like a part whole plus a comparison model combined. So teacher is going to show you very quickly, okay? Yeah, because every single mark matter, especially the younger ones, right? I pity the kids who are getting 45 to 64. I really pity. I feel very sad for you all. Work so hard, so hard, so hard. Once you hit 64, it's like you really feel it, right? So teacher really want to help you, okay? Let's cross that zone, okay? Let's cross that zone, okay? So here you have this. So teacher is going to show you now. So 9 units is actually like that, right? Correct or not? I'm drawing for this one here, 9 units. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry, this is ugly. You know, teacher is very fussy, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, it's actually look very familiar, right? Look like P2, right? Correct or not? And then here, this one here at the bottom. Okay, we're going to draw this. Can you see now? Okay, so here it is this. And then you can see that this whole thing here, it's 420. Agree or disagree? True or not true? So guys, why are you afraid of units equation when you have learned it at P2? P2 leh, twinkle twinkle little star, you know, when you're little, very small, remember? So isn't this, sorry, the pen is lagging, that's why. Isn't this what you've learned before? It's just that, you know why, sometimes you think of it like a big name. Wow, this one LG, blah, 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 blah. It's not, okay? You learned it before, okay? So here, okay, so here you can see, okay, so teacher is going to cross it out for you. So, bing, bing. So you straight away know 7 units is 420, right? Correct or wrong? But we all know that PSLE got no time to draw little boxes as much as we can, right? No time, right? So my suggestion is you do like that. Right, 9 unit is equal to 2 unit plus 420. So 2 unit plus 420. Right? So here, 9 unit minus 2 unit. Okay, so here this is the 2 unit, okay, is equal to 420. Okay, the tip of the day, I think some of you may forget, is always write the bigger unit on the left side. Can you write in your book somewhere, please? Yeah. Hey guys, please do not chat like that, okay? Yeah, it doesn't matter what degree you have. Teacher is going to off the chat if you're not chatting with me. Teacher does not like it because I love you. I think the basic thing we need to have here is one thing only, love. If you're not going to show love, then at least keep your mouth quiet. Okay? Because I will be sad. I'm thinking you don't want me to be sad. I'm quite sure about that. So please stop. Teacher is reading the chat. Pop, 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 pop. Okay? Please be encouraging. You see someone answer and you think that that's very courageous of him and he got it correct. Give a thumbs up for him. Do not put someone else down. It's really, really mean. Okay? Yeah, so let's continue now. Okay, so 7 unit is equals to 420, right? So now 1 unit is equal to 420 divided by 7, and then we will have 60. Okay, so the trick is, remember teacher always say resolve to find 1. It always helps to find 1, right? Yeah, so you have your lamppost, you know where to go. Finally, we are going to solve, right? So how to solve? They want one volleyball. One volleyball is actually, teacher highlight for you now, guys, is this, right? One tennis ball is this. So basically, you just have to find 2 unit plus 210. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 210. Okay, guys. Okay, so here it will be 2 unit is actually 2 times 60, which is 120 plus 210. It is 330. So our answer is 330 grams. Is that okay? Yeah, thank you for stopping. Okay, teacher really respect you. You are so teachable. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you because there's no way you can be more naughty than me when I was young. So the fact that you obey immediately, I respect you. Okay, I respect you. Okay, can we continue now? Okay, yeah. Okay, so you want teacher to, do you need teacher to roti prata? It's not this one very easy to roti prata. It's just that you just change out what is the mass of 3 volleyballs, you should know. What's the mass of 3 volleyball and 2 tennis ball, right? Or what is the mass of 3 tennis ball more than 2 tennis ball? So this is usually the way they roti prata this question. No big deal. Are you clear now? Okay, yeah. Okay, so teacher asks a question now. Do you need to visit the toilet? No, teacher is concerned. You need to visit the toilet. If you need to, tell teacher. If not, we can. Oh, you need to. Okay, yoga, you go toilet now. Go. I'll wait for you. Yeah, go. Everybody just go toilet, wash your face, smile at yourself in the mirror, say, I can do it. I can. I am game. Okay? Yeah. It is naughty, Gerard. Why are you so naughty? I can. I don't want to say that word. Okay. Oh, yes. I know sometimes teacher method is a little bit longer, but it's a lot clearer. That's okay. Yeah? Yes. Okay, because teacher need to make sure that the foundation is there so that I built it. Yeah, it's like a crash course for problem sum, a bit like that. Okay, yeah. Can you make yourself not spotlight? Why, Nick? Tell me why. You know why I make myself not spotlight or not? You know why? Because I was trying to protect your identity. I'm still figuring out a way where I can't show your face when I do my YouTube live, because I want to protect you. Some of you write your name there, so I actually don't feel good. That's why I spotlight my face. It's not because I love myself so much, okay? It's really because I want to protect you. Okay, if you know how to do it, okay, where you can show your face and so that I can help you, but on YouTube they won't see your face. Can you do me a favor? Can you PM me and give me a lesson on it? Because I want to protect you. Is that okay? Yeah. Oh, what's the link for the Padlet? Which Padlet, darling? Oh, okay. Since somebody in the toilet, right? So I better tell all the new parents what are the resources you can. Is it okay, children? Can I have your permission just to give 2 minutes talk? Okay, everybody say okay, good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So, okay, parents, especially if you're new here, I know some of you are new, some of you like never watched the earlier episode before, so don't worry, I am here to help you. Let me just find my things for you first. Be patient with me, okay? Okay, let me find for you. I already arranged it properly for you. Just give teacher a minute to find it, okay? I have 2 monitors, so sometimes I'm a bit confused which monitor I'm using. Oh, is it this one? Oh no, not this one. Okay, sorry. I have one more very nice one. Oh, it's here. Okay, children, take down all this important information, can? Okay, and parents also. Number 1.
I put in your.
We find this at the website iSchool.sg, right?
Yeah. Oh, okay. No, listen to teacher first. Join my either my Telegram or my WhatsApp update notice, okay? Because when we have things, we can always tell you. If we are running extra complimentary classes, we can tell you. If you are starting new classes next year and you want to join Teacher Julie, we can tell you. Okay, so join that one. Okay, so things that I need you to know. Number 1. Okay, so I'm going to close one. Okay, children, this is called iSchool, ischoolsg.blogspot.com. Okay, this is actually a compo blog. Okay, teacher background is I have a degree in English language from NUS, so I also teach English, but somehow a lot of people tell me that I'm better at math. Ding. Okay, so but then teacher, okay, why I created this is mostly because teacher have a heart for poor children, so I wanted to give them good resources so that they can actually have good compo books and they don't feel that I didn't go to XYZ tuition center, so then poor me. No, these are good enough, really, trust me. Okay, if you really internalize it, they are good. Okay, yeah, okay, go and read it. Okay, yeah, sorry I cannot tell you the technique of writing compo now. It's just too much, okay? So read it, you should see a trend and enjoy it. Some of the parents message me and say, it's really interesting, the stories. Yeah, because I wrote it from my heart. Yeah. Okay, so have it. Sorry guys, if you see it stopped at 2017, guess what happened? Because after that, I was really doing iSchool full-time. Okay, full-time. Full-time means I work from 9 o'clock in the morning and sleep at 1 a.m. because I have 2 jobs. Okay, yeah, and it has happened for 7 years already. I have no more strength anymore to do a compo blog. It's good enough. 200 is enough to entertain you for sure. Okay, second thing, so I'm going to close it. You just note it down, but if you are worried you lose it, don't worry, join our group. Okay, we'll always put it there for you. Okay, so we're going to close this. Okay, then this one is the second one. Okay, let me close this first. Sorry. Okay, so okay, no, not this. This is not the second one. This one. Okay, guys, this one is Teacher Julie help to compile for you all the problem sum technique lah, skill lah, relationship lah that is in a PSLE question. So all these are PSLE question, but I'm very sorry. I say one more time, I cannot put solution there. It's very wrong of me to put solution there because I want you to go to the publisher to buy their books. Okay, read their solutions. Okay, they have a business to run. Okay, my job is not to take away their business. So, but then it is a good gauge for you to see like how many question has appeared in different topic. Put a number there. All these questions I arrange for you based on the difficulty level and the concept name. So for example, okay, if you want, let's teacher just give you one easy example. Okay, yeah, this one, maybe this one. Okay, very simple example. So I'm sure most of you know how to do this kind of question, right? Okay, yeah. So then teacher will show you. So teacher will show you in iSchool where are this kind of question or where is this particular question, because we recreate. You see, we cannot use the same question, it's wrong. Okay, but we can recreate. We are allowed to recreate. So it's all there. Okay, so if you want to find the same type of question but with iSchool solution, go and click those links. Okay, so I finished explaining this. And if you want to know, for example, what is this concept, where can you find it on iSchool, you just click the link there. Okay, you just click the link there. So if your child is weak in that, okay, your child is weak in that, so go and find all the question that has this tag, practice them until you know. Okay, yeah. Okay, but I do not recommend this for P6 anymore. Okay, I don't want to overwhelm your child, but it's just a glimpse of what your child is going through. Do not go and buy for 1 month and then drill your kid. No, just focus on their school file, their tuition notes. That's okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's look at another one now. Okay, so this one here is all the concepts based on PSLE Math. I arranged it based on topic for you already, and all the concepts are here. So you may want to test one by one what concepts is your child strong or weak in. Okay, this is just pure concept and it's linked to iSchool, so that you can click on iSchool and then find this question. Okay, so yeah. So okay, next one. Okay, for parents who just come in, these are all the 7 lessons that we have so far. Okay, we put it here for you so that your child can revisit them. This is the full paper. Okay, how did I get this paper? It's not because I steal it from the exam vendor. Okay, it's because I know one of the exam vendor. I told him what I want to do for you all. She said that I'm okay. She's okay that I use her exam paper 5 for SA1 and 5 for SA2. So I did not take them without permission. Yeah, I did not take them without permission. Okay, yeah, so far I've been doing it. So this one here also, yeah, I didn't get the, sorry, teacher say I didn't get the permission from the schools. So if you're a teacher from one of the school and you really hate this, please tell me, I'll bring it down. Okay, because my intention is not to steal any IP from the school. It's just that I feel the exam paper is the most authentic of all papers. Okay, yeah, so these are all here. There are more than 20 over hours of material here if you have the time to watch. Okay, yeah. Okay, Padlet link should be quite secure, darling. Oh, you mean the blog? The blog one is not controlled by me. It's actually Blogspot. It's something that, you know, is international. I just park it there only. Okay, yeah. And I also want to apologize that sometimes a Padlet take time to load. Okay, Yeah. So finally, this is the free thing that teacher want to give it to you. But sorry, you have to help me to do an authentic review. Authentic review means from your heart. Don't bluff. Say something from your heart. Hopefully, you say something that's encouraging for me. Okay. So here, these are all the colorful things that I've done. Okay, actually I should sell it. I know there are some books in the market, only 50 questions is already $40. We have 242 questions there, for 242 questions. So yeah, we just want to help you. Okay, so guys, this one, so what will happen is you will message my husband, and he will take an email from you, and then only can go in through email. Only can go in through email. Nobody can have access. We set it like only people with the same email can go in. So you see, all these are the notes, you know, like what are the tips that I can give you, because I have no time to go through paper one with you. Okay, Ken? So enjoy this. Go to the topic you're weak at and practice and practice. I did it with a lot of love. What motivate me is you only. Okay, what motivate me is you only. Okay, so this one I already mentioned. Okay, so may I just do one more thing so that at least your parents understand this? Okay, so parents, especially those iSchool subscribers who have never met me and don't know how to use it, teacher, I just quickly show you. You can type in PSLE, okay? You can type in level 1, okay? You can even type in, just make sure that there's a comma in between, okay? Oh, you want me to tell you how to do this app? Okay, later I tell you, okay, later. I promise you. You remind me, KFC? You call yourself KFC? What is this? Okay, later I tell you. I finish up the iSchool story so that at least you know. Okay, guys, so you see, so if you want to only find PSLE question based on a certain level, like for example, let's say you're really hunting for AL1, and you really love it. You don't feel stressed. You don't feel like mommy is forcing you.
The website very good, huh? A lot of things, huh?
Yeah. So what you can do is you can do iSchool. Okay, you go to the level 3 and you hit very hard. Yeah, you hit very hard, because can I be honest? I think my student will agree. The PSLE, the level 3 question in iSchool is often, not all the time, often harder than PSLE question, right? Hello? Yes, you agree? Yes, can sweat, right? Yes. Okay. Where do this question come from? I have 1,000 assessment books. So basically, I pick and choose and sieve them and arrange them for you already. So you don't need to pick and choose and sieve. Okay. And then if you want the video, guys, just click this. Okay. Then they will only show you question that has video, so you can watch them. Okay, so this part I covered already. Okay, one last part I want to cover is this. Okay, iSchool also have a lot of worksheets. Okay, basically every single level has worksheet. From level, you can see level 1, level 2, level 3. I have one parent. Okay, she made her children do a lot. So when I clock into her account, because I'm curious how much they did, I almost fainted. A lot! Okay, I was like, how did she motivate her child? I really don't know, okay? And she's in my class now. Okay, she's amazing. She's really a motivator, mommy. Okay, so teacher just quickly show you what's going on here. Okay, so if you load, you start. Okay, so this one here, you have this as your question. So it's at 515, right? So it's 515. So teacher just want to quickly show you. Okay, and this one, let's do one more. Okay, so it is 4807, and then you have 30. Okay, 3071. Okay, so the good part about this worksheet is because we time it so that you won't go toilet, drink water, talk to friends, look at the phone, just finish it lah, guys. Okay, focus. Okay, and then let's say I've clicked finish. Okay, so they will self-mark for you. Okay, oh sorry, just now that question I forgot to submit. That's why it become like that. Only one question was submitted, right? So this will be the question. Let's say your child don't know this. You want to practice more, you just click this. You just click this, it will go back to that question. Okay, it bring you to the mother question. Okay, it bring you to the mother question so that you can practice more. Okay, they recreate new one for you. How many new one? I don't know. Billions. Okay, really billions, because it's done by a software. Okay, then teacher show you one more thing for parents. Please be patient with teacher. Okay, so what will happen now? Okay, sorry, this one is because I make the thing small. Okay, never mind. Okay, teacher has no time to show you this. Okay, but never mind. So if let's say you want to try again, don't worry, click this. Okay, click this, and then you can try again. Just now I clicked retest incorrect, so they only come out the incorrect one. So basically, it must be, the goal of this is to make sure that the child has gained full mastery. Okay, so let's try to get this question correct, huh? 3503, and this one here is 8034. Okay, I'm going to click submit. Maybe we get another one question. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay, sorry, maybe press too fast. Okay, and then this one here, let's click the value, please. Okay, so never mind, we just click finish first. Okay, yeah. So here you go to the worksheet. Okay, you can see that now the child has done some corrections and the marks has improved, something along that line. Okay, yeah, so I hope this one will help you. We are actually come out with iSchool version 2, which is even much better than this, because we get the feedback from the parents, we improve it, so we are doing version 2 now. Okay, guys, let's stop this. Let's go back to the lesson. I'm very ready to teach you the remainder concept. So your eyes must open very big. Get ready your books, because this will save you. Okay, really save you, especially if you're weak in remainder concept question. Okay, yeah. Okay, so cute. KFC is so cute. Yeah, it's okay, you can don't use your real name. I'm okay. Okay, so let's do this question now. Okay, KFC, teacher tell you this later. I will tell you the last part of iSchool story. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's look at this one first. Okay, so number 1. Okay, Tom spent $1,440 of his salary on food, right? Okay, and then after that gave 40% of the remaining money to his parents. Okay, and then finally and save the rest. So teacher really love colors a lot, and then finally, okay, I think this one I use blue, because if not later you'll be confused. He saved 15% of his salary every month, right? So first question is, okay, what percentage of his salary did he give to his parents? Okay, yeah. Second one will be, okay, change color now, maybe brown. What was Tom's monthly salary? Okay, some people want to ask me, what's the answer? Okay, who wants to try answer now? Okay, for question A, what's your answer? Can you tell me? Question A, what is the percentage of his salary that he gave to yeah. Teacher's reading 10%. Good job, everybody. Yeah, you're right, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, how about the second one? The second one, how much was Tom's salary? Can you tell teacher now? Well done. Must remember your dollar sign, dear. Okay. Wow, thank you. Alithia, you don't have dollar sign one, Alithia. Okay. Okay, very good. So, okay, listen carefully. Teacher is giving you type 1, type 2, type 3 remainder questions, okay? Because I really want to cover your backside, okay? Okay, write down your notes. Really write down, okay? Number 1, I'm going to do this one first, okay? First thing first, okay? So we have STARS. S for search, right? Which we have already done. We underline all the keyword. You want to underline it in different colors, right? Number 2, we have to think about the technique, you know. What is the technique? Remember, teacher say most of the time for remainder concept question, we draw model, it is quite foolproof. Okay, unless their question is asking that need branching. For example, what percentage of blah 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 is blah blah blah. That kind you need to do branching. Okay. Number 3, you need to apply a concept. So you need to recognize what concept. I'm sure you know, right? It's remainder concept. And also probably the pull down model. Okay, this one technique is pull down model. Number 4, you need to resolve to find one. Number 5, you need to solve. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we are going to draw the model, shall we? Okay, so here excuse me. So here Tom spent $1,440 on food. So you should do this. Don't be lazy and draw your model nicely, okay? Because it's a simple model to draw. Step 2. Okay, for me, most of the time, unless the percentage is a very unfriendly percentage, what I normally do will be I will change percent to fraction, right? So here this will be 2/5. Here will be 2/5, right? Okay, which means that I am going to draw another bar, right? Another bar. Okay, and I'm going to cut them into 5, right? So let's try to cut nicely into 5. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Children, for my sake and your sanity's sake, do not draw caterpillar model for me, huh? You want to catch caterpillar? Teacher meet you in Botanic Garden. Don't draw caterpillar model, huh? Okay. So next, so here 2/5 was given to his parents. So here we have the parents, right? Okay, and then save the rest. So guys, save the rest is actually here. Okay, save the rest is actually here, right? So we have the saving here. Hey, please label your things, huh? If not, you cry, I don't know, okay? Yeah. So make sure you go exam, your teacher words, your tuition teacher words, and my words all shouting at you in exam, Teacher Julie say, don't draw caterpillar model. Okay, remember, okay? Big, okay? So here, okay, the next thing here is I'm going to change this, guys, into a fraction also, right? So it will be 15 out of 100, and then if you simplify it, divide both by 5, is 3 out of 20. True or not true? So you see, he saved 15% of his monthly salary. So you can see that here, guys, do you agree with teacher that this one here is actually this 3? So I could have cut, right? 1, 2, 3, because wow, beautiful number. Don't even need to cut. It's exactly the same, right? 3. Exactly the same. This is type 1 already. You see, you don't even need to cut. It's so beautiful. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Then can you see now that if this is 3 unit, okay, you know this is 3 unit, and in total there are 20 units, right? So you draw, okay, you continue drawing back, okay, because you're referring to the total now. Can you see now that here to here is actually that sorry, it's not a line, but you get the idea. I think I tell you what, I clean, because I don't want to confuse you. I hate to confuse you. Okay, so I'm going to draw. Sorry, teacher pencil is a bit shaky now. Okay, yeah. So okay, let's try. Okay, forgive me, So here you know that because they are beautifully cut. So here 1, 2, 3, just nice. 1, 2, just nice. Right? 1, 2 is just nice. Can you see? Okay, yeah, you should use a ruler, guys. Okay, then here to here, you know, children, you know that this one here is actually a total of how many?
15 unit.
How many? Who can tell me? 17 unit, right? Because the total is 20. You take away 3 this side, this is 17. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, daddy and mummies, so this one here will be 15 unit. Got light bulb or no light bulb first? Got light bulb, right? Okay, so now we have drawn a very good model. Actually, it's not that good, because don't you feel very weird? How come this is 15? The behind one so fat and it's 5. Sorry, no choice, right? No choice. Okay. So now what did the question ask? Okay, children, I show you shortcut for this part. Okay, I just show you the shortcut. Okay, what fraction of his salary did he give his parents, right? So the shortcut is, some of you may go and find what is 2 unit. Go and find, for example, you know, right, guys? I know that you all know that this is the I love you number. True or not true, guys? You know, right? Yeah, Santosh is like the head going to drop already. He's nodding so hard. Okay, so here, this is 15 unit, and 15 unit is equals to 1440, right? Sweetie pies, all my sweetie pies? Yeah, okay. So, children, but for question A, teacher is going to write in black pen. You really don't need to find the parents' unit. You don't need to find 1 unit, then 2 unit. You know why? Because you already know that parents is 2 unit, right? So it will be 2, which is this parents here, over the total, and you know the total is 20, right? Because it already cut nicely. So it's 2 over 20 times 100%. Yay! Save my time. Right? That's why it's 10%. Okay, teacher asked a question now. Teacher is very curious. Who did it my Blackie way? Answer now. Teacher.
I did it. Sure, I did it.
Wow, trained by me. Steady. Okay, who else? Anyone else? You go and find.
I did it. I took the
Never
straightforward
mind,
method.
Claire. It's okay. Yeah. I miss you, Claire. Did you come last session? No, teacher miss you. You know. Yeah. Anyone else? So only 2%. The rest didn't answer. Hello. The rest. Oh, me. Wow, Chloe, good job. Chloe says so many me. She's so excited.
I did a method that is completely opposite.
Okay, never mind. Okay, teacher say something. Treat my lesson as supplementary. Don't force yourself to use teacher's tutoring method. Of course, you're already used to some of your teacher's method. That's okay. But at least I give you more keys so that at least you feel safer, like you don't feel scared for your exam. Okay? Okay, so now let's go to the next one. 15 unit is equals to 1440, right? So teacher is going to continue now. Remember, teacher say always find 1 unit, right? So here, 1 unit is equal to 1440 divided by 15, which is equals to 96, right, children? So how much is his salary? Salary will be 20 units, right? So 20 unit will be equal to 20 times 96, which is equal to, okay, 1920. Everybody okay with this? Okay, so teacher can roti prata for you or not? Is it okay if I roti prata before I teach you cook to country? Can?
Teacher,
Yes.
hi, can I check with you? I think I lost you earlier in terms of how do I get 15 units for the food?
No problem, Jasmine. My pleasure. Okay, let's help Mommy Jasmine. Hey guys, your mommy really love you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so okay, Jasmine, look here. This is 20, right? Correct. So this 20 is actually from here to here. This is the whole thing. It refers to the total because it's off his salary, correct? Then when we cut this is 3 unit. This is 3 unit, right? So if this is 3 unit, okay, and this whole thing is 20 unit, of course, this will be, so I use another highlighter now. This will be 17 unit, correct or not? Okay, and if this is 17 unit, then can you see that because this one and this one is the same, so we know that the parent is actually given 2 unit, right? So if it's 2 units, 17 unit minus the 2 unit, isn't it the 15 unit is referring to the food here? Let me highlight for you. Okay, Mommy Jasmine, you get it already?
Yes, understand. Thank you.
Thank you for asking, because when one doesn't understand, it means they are 20 but too shy to ask. So Mommy Jasmine is very brave. Yay! Right? And Mommy Jasmine on the webcam now. Thank you. Okay, so guys, listen to me. Please don't spam. Okay, please don't spam. Please do not say unkind words to each other, so that people who really want to ask questions can just ask like that, right? Okay? Okay, so can I roti prata for you now? Okay, can I check calculating units? Okay, I answer your question now. By right, no leh. I know that some teachers in school, they tell them like, you know, don't put all this. Okay, you can do like that. Then the final answer, just put $1920, right guys? Okay, so you follow your school teacher instruction, okay? Yeah. Okay, so next one. Teachers, okay, let's can I roti prata now? Yes or no? Yes, Yay, let's roti prata. Okay, answer in terms of unit only, okay guys? Okay, number 1. How much is saved? Answer in terms of unit. How much is saved? Answer in terms of unit. Okay. Hey, why the Zoom is so oh, Musa is very fast. 3 unit, right? Good job. Okay, wow, 007 also very fast. The rest finger not, do they finger stuck? Hello, wake up your finger, come back, exercise your finger a bit. Exercise 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you get the idea, okay? Okay, next one.
Wait, I'm gonna shoot myself.
Okay, exercise yourself next time. Okay, so okay, next question now. Okay, how much is given to the parents, your daddy and mommy? Yeah, I remember what teacher Faith say, you know, in her webinar. You go and listen, it's very cute one. She said, children, you must learn to give your parents money. Okay,
Okay,
10% at least, huh? Okay, so everybody learn to give money like Teacher Faith and Teacher Jack say, give money to your parents. 10% is minimum already, huh? Okay, so here 2 units, right? Okay, next question now. Okay, how much more did he save than give to the parents?
1.
1 unit. Okay, good. 1 unit. Okay, because 3 unit minus 2 unit is 1 unit. Okay, next question. How much in total was given to the parents and for saving?
5.
5 unit. Right, 5 unit. Okay, last question. Okay, how much was spent more on food than saved?
15 minus 3.
Yeah, so more on food than saved. So 15 unit minus what? 3 unit, right? Which is actually 2 unit. Okay, everybody, you understand already, right? Can I move to type 2 now? You okay? Teacher going to fry your brain today, Okay, I really fry. Okay?
Like
Yeah,
what?
make sure your mommy tell me that got smell come out from your brain. That's the best. Okay, so let's start. Gosh, why are you not laughing at my joke? Isn't it funny? No, just joking, just joking. Okay, I self-laugh, okay? Okay, guys, let's look at the next question now. Next one. Okay, teacher is going to change the percentage for you, Okay,
No,
guys.
Teacher, I was doing something. I'm writing down notes.
Oh, okay. So, concentrating, right? Okay, guys. Okay, listen to me now, I'm going to change just one thing and the technique has to change a little bit, okay? So, guys, look. Clean. Okay, this one clean also. Everything stays the same, but teacher is going to change this. Listen, okay? So, here, teacher is going to change this. This is level 2, level 2, This one, teacher is going to change this to bye-bye. See you again. 25%. So how? Okay, so how? So can I show you now? Is it okay quickly? Okay, after the remainder question, teacher will give you a short break, very short. Okay, 1 minute or 2 minutes break. Okay, wow, Oscar is wake up already. Oscar's like, oh, break is coming. I'm motivated now. Okay, correct now, Oscar, I can see your face betray you. Okay, so here this is 25% is actually 1/4. Do you agree with teacher or not? So far, so good. Okay, so teacher is going to draw again the same model. You must be patient, but this time I'm going to draw a lot faster already, So step 1, I still draw this. Okay, teacher asked a question now. Is the gray hurting your eyes? Must tell teacher, is it hurting your eyes? No, because no space already, guys. No space, must forgive teacher, okay? Next one. So here we have this part here. This is, okay, this one we still have our 2/5, right? So we're going to cut this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sense? 2/5, so this 2/5 again, parents, parents, okay? Yeah, always love your daddy and mommy, promise teacher Julia. Don't make them upset for no reasons, okay? Yeah, then after that, okay, so here, this one is for saving again. Nothing changed. Can you say nothing changed so far? True or not true? Saving, right? Okay, then after that, okay, hold on, 25. So after that, we know that this is 1/4, right? Okay, this is 1/4. So what will happen now? Hold on, teacher checking my notes a little bit, okay? Did I do correctly? Oh, hold on, I think yes. Okay, let's play along. If it's a bit wrong, it's okay, we can tweet it later, okay? Because if not, no time, I cannot ask you to come again, right? So here, if this is 1/4 and this 1/4 is the salary that is he saved, then can you see now that this one here is actually 1/4 now? This is exactly 1/4, right? True? Okay, if this is 1/4, okay, we cut. Okay, let's see we cut. Can you see now I'm doing a very beautiful cut now? Correct or not? 1/4, right? So by right, what does it mean? It means that here got another 3/4. Agree or disagree? Here got another 3/4, right? And that's why teacher said you cannot draw the model too short. Once you draw too short, you have difficulty seeing the accurate figure. So draw it longer, like this, okay? But then now no choice. So here, can you see now this is 3 And if you cut it, guys, if you cut it 1, 2, 3, right? This is 3. So here, this is the second one. This is the 1/4 that we are talking about. This is another 1/4 we are talking about, right? 1/4 we are talking about. And then here got another 2/4, right? 2/4. And so, sorry, teacher, no space. I have no choice. By right, I should draw this a bit longer already so that you can see. How about I do it, huh? Okay, let's not take the risk and confuse you. It's not worth being lazy for, right? So guys, let me just draw it a little bit longer for you so that your brain won't explode for no reasons, okay? So here, this is the same. So here, guys, this one here will be the next 1/4. The teacher is going to cut. And then finally, the last one here. So can you see now? Okay, so teacher is really cutting for you. Okay, so my question is this. Okay, so teacher is going to use a purple pen now. Look at my purple pen. Sorry, somebody need to mute. Okay, yeah. Okay, please mute, okay, so that your friends can hear properly. Okay, so guys, teacher show you now. Can you see now? This is 1 unit, 1 unit. Oh, sorry, this is really bad. Let me change the color, okay? What color? Okay, blue is nice. Okay, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. So can you see now the saving is really 3 unit also? Right, the saving is 3 unit, right? Then the parents here is 1 unit, 2 unit. Here is 1 unit, 2 unit. Correct or not? So which means that this whole thing here belongs to the 1440. And it is actually, okay, teacher use a darker pen now. Okay, yeah, I think this one will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one here will be 7 units. Do you understand now? Yes or no? So type 1 is no need to cut. Type 2 is need to cut dotted. Can you write down? Write down for teacher Julia. Type 1 is usually like no cut, easy job. Type 1, no cut. Okay? No cut. Okay? Type 2, dotted cut. Okay? Just cut a little bit dotted. Dotted will save your life already. Just cut dotted. Okay? Then let's do type 3, shall we? Type 3. Okay, type 3 is using the type 3, guys, is really using the LCM already, okay? It's the LCM. Okay, so listen carefully to type 3. So once again, teacher is going to remove this percentage and just change it to something else, okay? So here, you cut, remove, right? So here, we are going to change this 15% now. Okay, we are going to change this 15% to 40%. Okay, going to change this 15% to 40%, which works out to be 2/5, right? Works out to be 2/5. So once again, let's draw. Okay, be patient with teacher Julie. Okay, once again, let's draw. So parents, please draw also, if you're guiding your kids, yeah. Okay. So here is the same. We have 1440 here again, 1440. Okay, and then here we are going to cut this. Okay, we're going to cut this. Okay, into 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then again, sorry guys, it's a little bit laborious, but be patient with teacher Julie, okay? Teacher Julie has never met you before. So teacher Julie wants to make sure that I can help you properly. Okay, this one, if my student do that, I'll eat them up alive, okay? I eat children. That's my favorite food, just to tell you. Okay, don't draw like that, Okay, so if your parents say, hey, mommy said draw properly, right? Yeah, mommy only say I eat, that's worse. Okay, yeah, that's why you got missing children in Singapore, or not. Okay, so here, this one here is my saving again, Okay, everybody understand this? So far, so good, babies? All my babies? Yes? Okay, so now we have to do this, ladies. Okay, pay attention now, because type 3 is slightly harder than type 2 and 1. So teacher's going to draw for you now. Maybe we use the bright yellow again. Children, can you see now that this saving here is now actually 2? True or not true, sweetie? Okay, sorry, this is bad again. Teacher doesn't like untidy things. Okay, this is 2. Agree or disagree? Agree, right? So by right, we should draw another 3, another 3, right? Another 3, but how long is it? Okay, so you should have noticed that this one is a bit too long already. Later we adjust. So children, do you agree, teacher? I'm going to highlight for you so that you can understand. Listen carefully. Parents also, okay, everybody highlight. This one here, highlight for teacher Julie. This one in a different color. This one and this one should be the same, so that your brain learns something. You're telling your brain something. No cut. This one highlight for teacher again. This one, please highlight for teacher. This one, don't over highlight, This one and this one. Also, okay, tell your brain it's the same. Okay, so this one, do teacher Julie a favor, also highlight for teacher Julie now. This one and this one is the same. True or not true? Everybody understand, right? So here, look, guys, listen carefully to this. Can you see these 3 boxes or not, guys? These 3 boxes, right? This is 2 boxes, right? But it refers to the same amount of money, correct or wrong? Right? So you find the LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, so teacher Julie show you how I will do it. Okay, I will do like that. Okay, give you a dark pen now. So this one, children, I will put 3 units. Do you understand? This one I will also put 3 units. This one I will put 2 units, 2 units, 2 units. So can you see it's a happy thing now? Everything match, right? So children, this is 2 units, and this is also 2 units. Make sense now? Sorry, a bit squeezy, a bit gigantic, So children, if there is 6 units here and we know it represents 2/5, so by right we should draw the next 3/5. So to draw the next 3/5, it must be equivalent. So guys, you know that this is 2 and 2, right? So you have to cut nicely. Don't anyhow cut, okay? Don't anyhow cut. So here, this one here will be exactly up to here. Do you understand? If not, you will cry. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so teacher is really trying to find, okay, so maybe I should write here as 3 units first. Okay guys, 3 units. Okay, and here we cut it like that, very nicely. Okay, very nicely. Actually by right you should use a ruler, but sorry, Zoom ruler, if I use ruler, I think you need to stay until 12 o'clock already. Okay guys, no choice. Okay, so here now we know that there's 3 here already, so we have to draw 2 more, right? So here it will be something like that. So here it will be something like that. Okay, so but we know that here, sorry about the mess, we know that here there's this 1 unit hiding here, so don't be dumb. Okay, be very alert. Catch police, catch thief. Be the policeman for yourself. So here you know this is 2 unit, and therefore this is 3 unit, and therefore 1440 is actually at here. 1440 is actually at here, and it is actually let me double check. Yeah, it's actually 5 units. So if you cut properly and nicely, it will work. If you anyhow cut, sorry, teacher Julie cannot save your life. Okay, yeah, teacher really tried very hard. Okay, so you'll be here. Okay, so you can see. Can you see that once I change the percentage, the model has changed, even though it's the same way of writing, right? So children, can I ask you, did anyone teach you or not this kind of thing? No, never mind. Okay, no. But do you understand where I'm coming from now?
So how come there's a 1 unit?
Sorry, say again.
The 1 unit, the
And oh, sorry, because I draw stupid caterpillar model. Okay, a bit. I should have drawn bigger. Okay, but I just quickly highlight for you so you understand. Thank you for asking, Shantosh. Like you represent the class. Yeah. So guys, this one here, teacher just highlight for you. This one here and then here is the same, right? Can see wow, I think I'm doing kindergarten coloring now. Okay, but anyway, so this one here, Shantosh, this one is, there are 3 here, Shantosh, 1, 2, 3. It's actually hiding here. Do you understand now, Shantosh? So because this one is actually part of this, therefore I know that, okay, use another color now. I know that this 1 unit is hiding here. Okay, this 1 unit is hiding here and it's here. Okay, this is still for the parents. Understand now? That's why the 1440 is all these little numbers here. This green, yellow one. Get it or not, babies? Okay, yeah. Can? Yeah. So basically, what I'm trying to say is, parents, please don't look at one question, then, oh, mommy show you how to solve, blah, 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 blah. But then you have to maybe learn a bit more and create your own ecosystem on how to help them, because their brain work in relationship. You teach them one, then you show them another pattern and another pattern, then they can see the tree, then they will have a bigger light bulb moment. And please be consistent in like maybe how you solve. You try to be a bit more consistent. Don't today this type of question pattern one, the other question pattern two. If your child is very I mean they are already overstimulated in their brain for math, you do that is perfectly okay. But some kids, they cannot, they struggle. So you must understand what is your child learning style. There's nothing wrong that they struggle. It's just that they are different. They will grow up to have a different wonderful career. It's really fine. Okay, but think about the system. Okay, think a bit of the system at least. Okay? Okay, guys. I finished roti prata myself already. Oh, okay, who says speed up? Okay, let's speed up. Okay, I'm going to do very fast already. Since y'all say speed up. Okay. No, it's okay. Claire say it's okay. Okay, teach, school got teach. Guys, some kids is messaging me now and say, no, teacher, don't speed up. Okay, so you decide yourself, want to speed up or don't speed up, okay? Yeah. Okay, shall we do the next question now? Okay, so we have, hey guys, not bad. I have 2 more questions only. What's the time now? 5:22. Very good. Okay, do you all need to go toilet or not? This question maybe 2 or 3 minutes can finish explaining. You want or not? Who need to go toilet? Wash, drink water again. Okay, somebody raise up their hand again. Okay, guys, 2 minutes. Shoo, see you. Enjoy yourself.
Can you start the story again?
Okay. Oh, guys, there are supposed to be 6 questions. I reduced to 5. Jasmine, if you want to speed up, I give you a good idea, okay? When you watch my YouTube live, I tell you the neat trick. Just choose the part that you want to continue. When I'm writing something, you stop there and then you watch. That's one neat trick. The second neat trick is what I do for my own YouTube. I just increase the speed of whatever video I want to watch 2 times, times 2. Then they as long as I understand, it's okay. So, okay? Yeah, adjust your playback speed, okay? Yeah, if I sound funny, just laugh, okay? Yeah, okay, that story. Which one? You mean the high school one? Is it the high school one? You want the high school one, is it? Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. Do you, okay. Should I wait? Or I just continue? I wait, a bit. Okay. Children, I need to tell you something. I really started high school. Can I be very, very honest? I don't want to hide from you. Is it okay if I be honest? But you cannot be offended. Cannot be offended. You promise me you won't be offended, and parents also. If you're offended, then I shut my mouth. Okay? Okay. I do high school because I love God. And God loved the children. And God put a seed in my heart to do this for Him. So I'll be very honest, Ken. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So when I started high school, I did something special. I need to find the picture for you. Just give teacher a minute, okay? I'll see whether I can find it. Let me pause first, okay? Okay. If you're lucky, I can find it. If you're not so lucky, then sorry, I can't. Sorry, guys. I wanted to show you, but let me see whether I can find it. Just give me a minute, okay? Yeah, okay. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. I can't find it. Actually, just now I opened it because I wanted to show you. Before I started high school, I really wanted a seed of doing what is right. So I asked one of my friends who is a pastor in Philippines. I asked her, can you buy 100 school bag for me and give it to the slum children? Yeah. Okay.
What time is this lesson until? Is it 5:30?
Yeah. Okay. 5:30. Yeah. Let me check. No, probably 6 o'clock. Okay. Probably 6. Yeah. So if you're really tired, you just go off. Don't worry. Teacher will share the video. Teacher won't be mean to you. Don't worry. Okay. So I asked a pastor friend to help me buy school bag and 100 school bag all for the slum children. It is to remind myself why I start high school. Basically, I start high school for the children, and I start high school because I want to have a business so that I can give back to the poor children. That is my real dream. Okay, teacher hope that next time my school can give 10% to the poor children. Now cannot. Now it's really bad. Okay, but one day maybe God can grant that wish for me. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then the second thing is, remember I told you, right, there were 3 people who want to give me money or help, right? Okay, so I tell you now what I did. Is it okay? Uncle Brian said that it may be too complicated for you to understand, but then I try to make it as simple as possible for children to understand. Can? So the first one was an ex KFC your fried chicken, CFO. So he saw iSchool, he liked the idea very much. So he said that, you know, why don't I give you 50 or 100,000? Why don't you use it and grow it? And I tell you the truth, okay? I didn't take his money. Do you know why? I know that he's very well off, okay? He's very well off. He's very investor savvy. I didn't take the money because at that time, I didn't even know how I can use iSchool to help children. How can I reach the parents? What are the way that parents want me to help them? I really don't know. I cannot take people's money if I don't know how I'm going to use it. Teacher is just a teacher at heart. Teacher was not a business person at heart. So I turned him down. My friends who are startup, they would think that I'm very stupid. Yeah, because they think that people give you, just take lah. But sorry, at that time maybe I was also immature, I didn't take it. Then the second one was this rich guy, right? Rich guy, his family has a lot of restaurants. So he get the CFO to talk to me. And he said, hey, come, we help you to open. We have a lot of restaurants all over and they are all on MRT tracks. We know we can give you one of the shop and convert it into a tuition. Okay, you can do whatever you like. You just use iSchool to teach. There's only one condition. The condition is I take 49% and they take 51%, which means that I'm not the boss lah. Can I be very honest? To be honest, I don't mind that at all, no. Because teacher just see myself as a tool to help children, that's all. But you know why I reject the offer? It's a no-brainer, you know. Any loss they make, they eat the loss. I don't even need to come out pay for loss. It's like somebody tell you, you know, hey, I help you open tuition center lah. If any loss, we just absorb the loss for you. This is like open check to any tuition teacher already. You understand that or not? But I didn't take up offer, no. Do you know why? Can I tell you the truth? Yeah, Pai Yang Yi is because I think this man doesn't really love children. I think he's only in for the profit. I really wanted to find partners who love the children, especially the poor children. Do you know, teacher tell you something? The real boss I have in my heart are the poor children. Whatever decision I make, I always think, will I, in the end, help the poor children and help all of you? If the answer is no, then I won't bite. I just won't bite. Even though I work so hard, I use up so much of my saving, I still won't bite. Okay? Then the third person. Remember I told you that this IT expert, you know, can come up with like a mini Netflix, you know, to screen all the pirated movie. You just pay membership like Netflix and then you can watch all the pirated movies. He said, you want to do version 2, right? I can help you. It's like all these are carrots, you know, like put it in front of me. Come, take me. I said, the only thing is that you just give me equity. I don't mind work cheap for you. And I rejected the offer. You know why? If he can steal pirated movies, do you think he will love y'all? He will love himself or he will love y'all? So I rejected. Okay, so I rather now, you know, I still have people who come and meet me. So I always think, do they love children? That's the first thing I think first. Will they really care for you? So far, I didn't bite. Okay, I rather work very hard. And to tell you the truth, I'm a bit different from other tuition teachers because usually other tuition teachers, they just take the salary and it's already the pure salary. For me, I have to take the tuition fee and divide it by 6 people because they all help me either part-time or full-time. So we share the salary. But the good thing is they are all very nice people, especially the IT, the person in charge of your website. He has a heart of gold. Yeah. Many times when I ask him to do things for me, he just refused to take my money. You know why? He say, you yourself also don't have a lot of money. Why you want to give me? He really know that he wants to do it for you. He knows the reason why we are doing it. Okay, guys. So this is like, okay. Yeah. So yeah, and then can I say one last bit? I hope you don't get offended, okay? One last bit. Do I have few children? Yes, I have 4 children. So parents, if you know that you have 4 children and you dig into your saving to do iSchool, it just means that the children mean a lot to me, and my children accepted that. Okay, so one last thing to tell you, okay? Throughout these 7 years to do iSchool is, teacher, okay, somebody asked me a question. Are you sure what all these teachers Julie shared, they are real? Of course they are real, but there's one part that is not real. When teachers Julie share all this funny thing, I try to laugh it off, right? But it was not funny at all to me, okay? I cried a lot for 7 years. Every time I want to give up. But I would just tell God, can I give up? Can I just don't do it anymore? I'm tired. To do 16 hours every day for 7 years, no joke, okay? I burned out so many times already. But then I will tell him, I'm going to quit today. I'm not going to do it anymore. Then you know what happened next? Then God will be very quiet. God won't say much. But God will just show me all the picture of the kids. Then the next day I'll just sit there and continue on, because I see the picture of the kids in my heart. So I will continue. Whether iSchool will be successful or not, really nobody knows. But I'm just happy today I can touch your life, 100 of you. That is more than enough for me. Because I know if today I go back home, I know your life is different because you have someone who put a seed of love in your heart to run after your dreams. That is most precious to me already. Okay? Okay, I'm going to carry on already. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, Uncle Brian is chasing me already. Okay? Yeah. Okay, let's do it now. Okay? So 2 printing machines, A and B, are used to print the pages of some books. Okay? So machine A print 110 pages per minute. Okay? And then machine B can print 2 pages per second. So you must take note. This is minute and this is second. So don't get tricked, okay, guys? It's meant for you to take note, okay? So next one. What is the difference in the number of pages printed by the machine in 1 minute? Okay, so you know this is a question on rate, right? Rate more than one object, okay? And then here, both machines were used to print the pages of some books. Machine A started printing at 8 a.m. Okay, and machine B, okay, teacher is going to change color now. Machine B started printing at 8:45 a.m. So you can see that there's a time difference. One started earlier and one started later. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to share screen. Wow, Uncle Brian is very alert to read. Yeah, okay, sorry. Okay, so far so good, at least the color is there already. Okay, sorry children, I'm so excited that I forgot because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, never mind, just continue. Okay, so machine A was printing. So at what time did both machine print the same? You see, again, the word same number of pages. Okay, so we're going to do it now. Okay, first I feel overwhelmed when there's too much information for me as a person. Okay, so I will try to create a table. So I will do my TV box. Okay, so here we have machine A and we have machine B. I just want to understand the question first. Okay, so here machine A print 110 pages per minute, right? So the keyword here is per minute, right? Per minute. Okay, so remember our TV box is number times value equals to total value, right? Remember the value is always about each. So each also means per. It's the same thing, right? So here, teacher Julie is going to write 110. Okay, yeah. So then after that, okay, this one say machine B print 2 pages per second. So 2 pages per second. So if it's not a fair comparison, can you see? So I need to make it fair. So I need to change this into minute. And I know that to change to minute is times 60, right? So if you use 2 times 60, it's equal to 120. Okay, so this will be 120. Everybody, so far so good? Can? Give me a thumbs up, Chantosh. I need your help. Yay! Agash also, right? Okay, so the next thing will be, okay, so if this one here, A is 45. Okay, so let's continue first. Okay, let's do A first, okay? So what is the difference in the number of pages printed in 1 minute? So this teacher is actually very kind, okay? Give you 3 marks here already. You know that it will be 120 minus 110, which is equals to 10. Of course, I can say what's the total number of pages printed by the 2 machines in 1 minute, then you just add. I'm sure you know, right? It's just a different thing. I'm sure you know that I can change the 1 minute to 10 minutes to 15 minutes to 20 minutes. It doesn't matter. Okay, or even to 1 hour. True or not true? You know how to switch all this, right? Okay. Yes, thank you, Jay. Okay, Jay, you have a question? You raise your hand or you agree? Agree, put a tick. Okay, use the tick icon so teacher understand that you are agreeing and not asking question. Okay. So, okay, so far so good, right? Okay, now we are going to look at the purple one. Okay, so both machines were used to print pages from some books. Machine A started printing at 8:45. So machine A, you turn on the machine, cling clong, cling clong, cling clong, right? Okay, machine B is going to start only at 8:45. Okay, so here teacher is going to write here as 8. Okay, so because it started at 8, so it means that it started working first. Okay, and it started working for 45 minutes. Agree or disagree? So the first 45 minutes only A was working. So I'm going to write here in terms of the time. This one here is 45. Okay, this is 45 minutes. Okay, so here this will be, okay, so here we can see that the total, this is about total, right guys? Total. Okay, so it will be 45 minutes multiplied by 110 per minute, which is equals to 4950. So guys, we write it down here as 4950 first. Okay, so basically, let me just quickly show you the next part. Okay, the next part is this. You must understand what's going on first. So be patient with teacher Julie. Teacher draw you a little model so you get it, huh? So machine A, okay, has already completed so many sheets of, is it books or pages, right? So many, right? 4950. Okay, everybody understand this, right? Okay, this is already done deal. It's done deal. Okay, then what happened next? After that, B is going to start already. And we know that B is, okay, teacher change the blue to you for you. This one here is actually faster. And this one here is actually slower. Do you agree with teacher now? Okay, so faster by how much? 10. Correct, around 10, right? So what will happen now if you see my model will be this. Okay, for the next minute, okay, for the next minute, let's say it will be 8:46, 1 minute, right? What will happen now? What will happen is now machine A will do, okay, did you change the red pen now so you can see machine A will do 110. Agree or disagree? And then machine B, okay, machine B will do, okay, 120, right? But because B is doing more than A, okay, more than A, I can put the 10 here. You understand me? I can put the 10 here. Do you understand? Because now it's a catch-up question really. It's a catch-up question, correct? So then after that, what will happen? Let's say the next minute. The next minute, again, this one will be 110. Okay, 110 will happen here. And here will be another 110. But the extra, always the extra will be used to cover this part. So basically we send it to, so this is like basically trying to catch up. Okay, every minute they can catch up by 10. So how long will it take to catch up all this? Okay, how long does it take to catch up all this? So you know that every minute you can catch up 10, right? Correct or wrong? So to catch up all this, it will be, okay, did you change color again now? 4950, okay, divided by 10, okay, which is equal to 495. Okay, 495. So this 495, I'm sure you know this is the minutes. True or not true? So we have to change to hour. Okay, so 495 minute, if you change to hour, is divided by 60, which is equal to 8 hours. Okay, it's equal to 8 hours and 15 minutes. So basically what it means is by 8 hours and 15 minutes, children, they would have caught up with all this. Okay, when they caught up with all this, it just means now that, hey, they make the same number already. See, okay, so then after that, what will happen now is, okay, let's see what time will they print all this and have the same number. Okay, so what will happen now will be, so if you use, okay, so which time are you going to use? You are going to use this time, right? Because only at this time B starts to work. So it will be 8:45 a.m. You move another 15 minutes. You know that this will be 9 a.m., right? Then if you move another 8 hours, okay, 8 hours, you know that it will be 5 p.m. Everybody got light bulb or no light bulb? Understand now? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I need you to know something, okay? But sorry, I really cannot teach you that part, okay? Because really no time. But some questions change, okay? They will change and say, at what time did machine B print maybe 1,000 more than A? This is just another variation already. 1,000 more than A. Okay? Yeah. But do you know how to do? Can I just quickly tell you? Okay, so in order to print 1,000 more than A, that means this 1,000, okay, because this guy has already caught up already. Okay, already caught up. So you just have to use this extra 1,000 divided by 10, which is actually 100 minutes. So you just have to add this 100 minutes to here, and then you add the new time, and this will be the time that machine B actually printed 100 sheet more than A. Okay, something like that. Clear? Everybody understand? So this is the typical print question. Okay, so can I move to the next question now? Okay, yeah. So the next question is question 16. Okay, so question 16, I'm not going to go through 17, okay, because really the one of the episode have that and it's really fully covered there already. It's exactly the same. They just change things only, okay? If you really want, teacher can send you the solution and then take photo and then give it to your parents, okay? Yeah, so we only do 16 so that you can have your dinner, yeah? Today we are going to celebrate my husband's birthday, yeah? Okay, so here let's do it. So number 1, okay? Mr. Chu, okay, I like this question. That's why I want to show you, okay? I really think this is a good question to learn. So everybody shake your head a bit, wake up. Okay, this is the most important concept I want you. Wow, Rakaini, I like you. I like the way you shake your head steady. Okay, so here, okay, so Mr. Chu had 152 more mangoes than durians, right? Okay, so then the next thing will be he sold some mangoes and durians, so some are gone, right? Then the next one will be the ratio of the mangoes sold to the number of durians sold is 3:1. Then after that will be the ratio of the number of durians sold to the number of durian left is 1:2. Okay, then the next last part is, let's do purple. 2/3 of the fruit left were mangoes. Okay, then finally how many durians? Okay, how many durians did he have left? Okay, the second one is, okay, let's do what color I think I have. I ran out of color already, guys. Okay, maybe brown. Okay, how many mangoes did he have at first? Okay, children, do me a favor. Give me your answer for A so that I can drink water. Okay, give me your answer for A. I want to see your answer for A. Okay, okay, some more. Can you show me some more? Okay, only one. Thank you, Nick. You always participate. Teacher is very happy. Some of you are wrong, but never mind. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. For A, okay, the answer should be 76. Okay, the answer should be 76. Okay, yeah. Then you think about it. Why is it 76? Okay. Then the second one, what's your answer? Type for me now. Very good, 266. Okay, some of you are wrong. The answer should be 266. Okay, I noticed that only usually the few will answer. I think these few are really hustling. Okay, hustling for that top score. Okay, but don't worry. Even you're not hustling for the top score, let's clear the 64 range. Let's go up. Let's not be trapped in that range if we can help it. If you tried very hard and then you know that you couldn't, it's okay. Okay, PSLE is just not the final destination. It's just one of the bus stop only. Okay, yes, I have students who did very well when they go secondary school, and when they're in primary school they really suck big time. Okay, yeah, okay, just make sure that in your new school you find good friends to motivate you. Let's start this question now. Okay, so okay. Sometimes you're writing to me now. Teacher is reading and okay, STARS. Okay, shall we? Okay, so first, of course, this one here, more than, right? So you know teacher has a bad habit. Okay, actually it's not a bad habit, it's actually a good habit. I will actually do a model and units table. That means I combine 2 in 1 to help me understand. So I'm going to show you how I draw my model and units table. Okay, so first, okay, I have mangoes and I have durians, right? So you have 152. So okay, because you must understand teacher is a very logical person, and I'm also quite visual. So when I see it, I understand, my brain will click. Okay, yeah. So here you will have 152. Okay, this is 152. Okay, sorry, teacher is going to move it. Okay, 152, and this one will be here. Okay, so next one. Okay, next one, she sold some durians and mangoes. So I'm sure you know this one here is before, right? This is change and this is after. Okay, so the technique I'm using here is really one of the technique I'm using here is actually called model and units table. Okay, it's actually in iSchool for those people who have iSchool account. Okay, yeah, so you go and find them and then you can do some of them. Okay, then here you just cut across. Okay, you just cut across. The reason why sometimes I will cut across is because I need to find the squeezy box. What is the squeezy box? It's the box that represent the same value but expressed in different ratio, because they are the one that solve the jigsaw puzzles. Okay, so I'm done here now. So okay guys, you have to really go slow with me, okay, because some of you have never seen this before. Okay, so first thing first, the number of mangoes sold to durian sold is 3:1. So guys, this one here is 3 and this is 1. I hope you understand, right? And this one here, by right, I can use -3, and here I can put -1. Okay, and to help you understand this, okay, later teacher is going to draw some shapes so that you can understand better. Okay, then here, okay, the ratio of the number of durians sold. Okay, the durian sold is actually here. To the durians left is 1:2. So basically, this is just a repeated information. Can you see this is one of the squeezy box that you have to take note of already, right? Because they are talking about exactly the same thing. It's just that here, the pink one compared with mango sold, but the dark green one compared with the durian left. So this part is 2. Okay, you must understand this is a squeezy box. Okay, Then after that, let's look at the last information here. The last information here is 2/3 of the fruit left were mangoes. So that means, guys, this is 2. Agree or disagree? And this is 1. Can you see now there is 2 squeezy box actually? So when there are 2 squeezy box, okay, if you want to practice on iSchool, it's called unit manipulation. So that means we are going to play with the units until we can get something that change everything into units. Okay, that is the key thing. So children, I ask you a basic question now. Okay, you think about it. This is already 1, this is already 1. Do we still need to change it or not? Yes or no? Answer now. No. Right? But this is 2 and this is 1. We need to change or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to change it with light blue. So here we are going to multiply this by 2. And here we're going to multiply this by 2. Everybody understand now? Okay, so here, okay, because we didn't change this, that's why we are not multiplying by anything. So children, I want you to see something very interesting now. Okay, I'm going to use a black pen to show you. So if it's 2 times 2, do you agree with teacher that this is actually 4 unit? Yes or no? If this is 1 times 2, do you agree with teacher that this is actually 2 unit? Okay, if this is minus 3 and we didn't change it, that means do you understand this is minus 3 unit? Yes, and this one here is actually minus 1 unit. Everybody understand so far so good? So who can tell me how many units this? It's like tic-tac-toe, you know, you play tic-tac-toe with your friends, right?
That one is 1 unit, Joe.
Which one?
Oh, no, 3 unit. It's 3 unit.
Right. So guys, iSchool math is a little bit like Sudoku and a bit like Sudoku and a bit like tic-tac-toe. Okay, yeah, so basically you fill up the clues one by one from the easiest clue to the hardest clue. So if this is 7 unit, this is 3 unit, what is this? This is 4 unit, this is 3 unit, what is this?
7 unit.
Well done. So can you see now teacher is going to use red pen so that you can see very clearly. That means in another words, this must be 3 unit. Agree with me or don't agree? Agree, right? Which means that because this box, okay, teacher's going to highlight for you now. This box is here.
The other box
Okay.
also.
Very good. Who said that? Very good observation. Okay, this is here. So now you understand why I want to draw a model inside the units table. Can you see the why? Because it's a lot easier to understand, right? A lot easier to see, right? So if this is 3 unit, that means we know that this one here must be how many unit, guys?
4 unit.
Very good. So you know that 152 is your I love you number already. Make sense or don't make sense? Makes sense, right?
Makes sense.
So here we know that 4 unit is equals to 152. Okay, so let's look at this one now. Okay, we search for the information. We know there are a lot of relationship here. We have done it. The technique here is model and units table. Apply the concept. Apply the concept is basically we look for all the squeezy box for this question and we use LCM to fix it. Notice that for this question, I did not use decimal unit to fix it. I use LCM, okay? So you have to decide yourself which one is easier for you to do. Don't be afraid. Execute, okay? Then here, do you realize that, you know, okay, so this is a concept like it's called squeezy box. Look for the box that is squeezy. Okay, repeated information but represent the same value. In iSchool, it's called units manipulation. You can find those questions. Okay, so now 1 unit is equal to 152 divided by 4. Okay, which is equal to 38. So guys, remember, okay, for your exam, always make an effort for 1 unit, put a box around it so that you don't have to go supermarket and find, okay? Clear? Okay, so now we can do all the question already. Can we? Okay. Shantosh, you want to go toilet, but you hold it for me. Mwah! Thank you, Shantosh. I also hold my bladder for you, okay? I read your message, so cute. Okay, so here, look. Okay, now we know, okay, how many durians did he have left, right? So let's look for the durian left. Can you see now? The durian left is actually 2 unit. Okay, so 2 unit will be equal to 2 times 38, which is equal to 76, and we have already solved our A, right? Next question, how many mangoes do we have at first? This is 7 unit, which is equals to 7 times 38, and it is equal to 266. Teacher asked a question now. I'm very, very curious. Answer in my chat box. I'm really reading. Did your teacher teach you the idea of a squeezy box? Just say yes. Only those people who say yeah, no, no, yes. Okay, no, no. Only have one yes. Teacher is counting all the yes. Okay, ratio table is very good. It's like unit table. That's okay. Okay, Chandra said yes. Alston said yes. Okay, they teach me unit part is awesome. Okay, if you're familiar with unit part, don't worry, just use it. Okay, Muzek say yes. Okay, so okay, Harp say yes. 5, 6. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is you are a class of 100.
You know why I like this now, Max?
Huh?
They use a current sheet.
Okay, sorry, I need to. Okay, guys, out of 100 children, only 6 understand that there's such a thing as a squeezy box. So now you are 100 kids who know what is squeezy box. If a question come out like that,
So is squeezy box repeated identity?
Yes, in a way, very smart. Good job. It's repeated. It's just that usually for repeated identity, it's like a type of repeated identity. Teacher is very proud of you, Shantosh, today. Because repeated identity, you learn in school is like that, right? A, B, C, then 1 is to 2, and then 3 is to 4, but they are referring to the same thing, right? But now it is at the change, they're referring to the same thing. Or in the beginning, they're referring to the same thing. Or in the end, they're referring to the same thing. You understand now? But it is actually repeated identity. It's just a slightly more complicated because you need to make every box happy. Squeezy box means you have to adjust so that you can make every box happy. So that you can change everything into units. Do you learn anything today or not? Do you know why I made you come to do question 16 with me now? Because I need to teach you squeezy box, which is not covered in the other 7. So I think some of your friends will be very motivated to watch 1 to 7 already because every time got a bit of difference, right? Okay, so guys, I'm not going to do question 17. I need to keep my time. Okay, if you want the survey, okay, children, if you want, you can join the survey. If you do have a Google, you have a Google or Facebook account, you want to help teacher Julie, okay, yeah, you can join too, okay, but then you must tell me your child, okay, so teacher know. Okay, when to use squeezy box? Okay, Debbie asked. When there is repeated information, teacher highlight for you now, okay, and Debbie is very, very bright, you know. Debbie is asking the good question, the very nice question. See, darling, Debbie, you see, this is a squeezy box because there are 2 ratio number in one box. This is a squeezy box, okay, so this is a squeezy box. Where's my that? This one is also a squeezy box. Can you see now? So when you adjust your squeezy box, you have to think first, what is the easiest way to adjust? PSLE is not mean. They won't give you big, hard numbers to adjust one. They give you friendly numbers. They only want you to know that there's this thing called squeezy box. Actually, the official name for it that your school teacher may use is called equivalent ratio. It's you're adjusting the ratio only. Correct or not? You learn equivalent ratio already, right? What's so big deal about this? Correct or wrong? Yes. Yes.
Yeah. There's someone famous inside our Zoom meeting.
Sorry, say again.
Got one guy called Technoblade.
It's okay lah. Never mind. Let them learn. It's okay. We all learn as a class. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So for question 17, sorry guys, I'm not going to go through. Uncle Brian right now is going to give you the survey form. You fill it up, okay, so that the next 24 hours we can give to every parent, okay, or children who needs it. Is that okay? So guys, okay, I need to end now, okay, unless you have something that you feel very sad about, you want to talk to me. I spend 5 minutes.
Teacher Julie.
Yes.
Can we do the survey on Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook. You need to do, if you can do both for teacher, can, because teacher Google review have 0 review. It's like, who is this kucing kurak sate? Okay, you can't see my share screen. Who cannot see my share screen?
Teacher Julie,
Yeah.
do you have the solution for question 17?
Okay, I'll give it to you now, okay? So, okay, Uncle Brian has just put the review ready, okay? Can you just tell us the answer? Can. Let me just check for you, Okay. Hold on. How much did he receive from selling the shoes, right? Okay. Okay, what's the answer for 17A? Can you tell me? It's 1677, is it correct? Yes or no? No, it's not. Hold on. Teacher check.
Yeah,
Okay,
I put 7722.
Yeah, it's 7722, Cher.
okay, 7722. Okay, fine. Sorry, teacher suddenly couldn't see. Hold on, teacher check for you. Yeah. Sorry, it's 7722. I forgot to highlight that. Okay, so for A is 7722. Okay, for B, what's B? Tell teacher Julie now. 65, right?
65.
Yeah. Okay. And then okay, for question 17, the concept behind it is set and LCM. Okay, for question 17, it is not number time value table, but you can use the TV box to check that actually this type of question, you cannot use number time value, you can only use set to solve. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to do B for question 17. Oh.
Shantosh, you go and watch the video again. It's in one of the video. There's
One
one
of
of
the
the
video show got 7.
I need to go and find that video for you. I cannot remember which school came up with the same thing. Yeah. Do you want me to do or not? Teacher is overrun already. Who want me to
Okay,
do?
never mind,
Raise
never
the-
Cher, don't need.
Okay. If I have 10 yes, then I will do.
Don't
Oh,
need.
thank you, Madeline. Yeah. Bye-bye, Madeline. Yeah. Okay. No need,
Cher,
huh?
I thought you were going to share with us the River Valley thing.
Oh, yeah, the River Valley thing, right? Okay. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, I start the first half. Okay, teacher tradition is set the first half, then the second half. Okay. Teacher want to tell you about River Valley thing. Okay, number one, teacher know the River Valley uncle. Okay, I cannot tell his name because I promised him, right? He is a very, very kind person. He and his wife, the family is super kind. How I know? Because he is the chairman of one of the association in Johor Bahru for the poor and needy. Basically, he is the one in charge to take care of the poor and needy in Johor Bahru. Second thing is, he always helped his church, his pastor, to do all the IT work. He really loved people. So can you imagine, children, you do all the kind things, and yet this bad thing happened? Huh? It's like you feel, right? It's like, why does good thing happen to bad people? A bad thing happen to good people, right? So I messaged him today. I said, can I share your story? I respect your decision because I want to share with 100 beautiful children. He was thinking about it, think. And then after that, I said, you think about it. If you feel comfortable, then I will share. If you don't feel comfortable, I won't share. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. And then finally, he sent me his son's funeral eulogy. So he said, if I want, I can read the eulogy to you all. The eulogy tells you what this boy is like. And do you know that this couple have forgiven the boy who killed their son? They don't even know each other. This boy just happened to be at the wrong place at the wrong time. But do you know that they really have forgiven? They have forgiven the parents and the 16-year-old boy. And I through the conversation, I think he probably wants to connect with the 16-year-old boy to tell him that he's forgiven. So children, why I want to share this with you is because I think this is an important value that you must have, which is when someone is mean to you, you must forgive. Don't hold it back, but learn to be shrewd. You know that you cannot trust this person, be wise, but forgive. Don't hold back. Don't hold it and that he deserves me to do not forgive. Okay? No. Let it go. So you'll be a happier person. Okay? So children, if you want to hear the eulogy, you cannot scold me. You cannot say, teacher, you use up my time again. Okay, you cannot scold me. Okay? Yeah. So children, tomorrow I will share the eulogy with you and I will share with you a very interesting story. It's like half of that story again.
Cher, tomorrow.
Tomorrow is not my class, your class. I'll try to give you the lesson on Tuesday, okay? If teacher is not too tired,
Miss,
classes can swap.
can I
Yeah.
can I go?
You can go, Dream. Love you, Dream. Thank you for asking. Okay, what
Bye
kind?
bye 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 bye
Bye bye
bye.
bye 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 bye. Bye bye everybody. I love you and I mean it. Okay, work hard.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye. See you all. Bye bye, Muzak. Bye bye, Jaden, my darling. Okay, bye bye, Just.
Bye, bye, Cho.
Bye bye, Shantosh. Bye bye. Thank you. Enjoy your time with your family. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, work hard with your tuition teacher also, Iza. Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, Dawn. Bye bye, Aiden. Bye bye. Bye bye, Gerard. Bye bye, Kevin. Bye bye, Michael. Bye bye, Isaac. Bye bye, Jonas. Bye bye, Alicia. Bye bye, Kaden. Bye bye, Olivia. Bye bye, Louis. Bye bye, Anushka. Bye bye, David. Bye bye, Evelyn. Bye bye, Tracy. Bye bye, Daniel. Bye bye, Shanti. Bye bye, Ellie. Bye bye, Essie. Bye bye, Debbie. Bye bye, Isaac. How many more pages? Okay. Bye bye, Bunho. I hope I say correctly. Bye bye, Curry. Bye bye, Diva. Bye bye, Tracy. Bye bye, Evelyn. Yeah. Okay. Bye bye, Ellie. Bye bye, Dwi. Okay, guys. The rest of you are staying behind for what? Need me to sing a song? Bye bye, Julia. Okay. Remember to do the survey, huh? Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Can? Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. Teacher N now, If unless you have something you want to tell me, you feel sad about, you just want me to give you a little bit of listening here. If not, then teacher will go already, huh? Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Love you all. See you on Tuesday. Yeah. Bye-bye. Okay.